Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to prompt in Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to prompt into Midjourney, you just simply have to open your Discord server at first, and after opening the Discord, you just simply have to open your Midjourney bot at very first. Then after that, in order to prompt, the main part comes here. Just simply open the message section and then type command imagine, and then you just simply have to enter whatever prompt you want to generate image with. Just simply type any of the basic prompts that you want into here, and then just simply tap into this send button. Then it will create the image based on your prompt. And yeah, as you can see here, Midjourney has already created the image according to my prompt. It looks kinda cool and kinda lame at the same time, but whatever. This way you can easily create any of the generative AI image by using very easy prompt. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.